Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to present you technically patterns what are in the gold chart. So my Telegram link is below. You can join with accurate gold signals analysis. Telegram link is below. This is the gold chart. This is present technically analysis. Technically patterns what are, how we do understand, how to identify the technically chart patterns in the gold chart. So I am in a 4 hour chart gold. This is the first pattern I would like to tell you. This is the bearish flag pattern. This is the flag and this is the continuation to downtrend. This is the downtrend pattern. This is the bearish flag pattern is the first pattern I would like to present you. This is the right, that's the, this is the flag is continuation upside and the drop. This is the bearish flag pattern is the gold chart 4 hour. This is the flag is the two liquidity is the both side in this area and collect liquidity and drop to the down again. This is the bearish pattern. Your sell trade in is this point. This is a breakout to downside retest and your sell trade in this area. This is the payment pattern. So other side bullish pattern is a bullish flag pattern is the other side this pattern. This is the bearish pattern in gold chart. Now continuation. So keep in touch. Wait for the breakout retest. This is the first pattern and the next technical pattern I am seeing in the gold chart is the head and shoulder pattern. This is the famous reversal pattern. Everyone knows this pattern. This is the reversal one side. This can be, this is the left shoulder, this is the head and the right shoulder is continuing. This is the left head and shoulder famous reversal pattern. This is the downside support area and this is the above side resistance area. This is per point your sell trade. This is the left shoulder, head and the right shoulder is continuation. So get the confirmations before trade. Before get the trade, make other confirmation. So reversal pattern is the other side. This can be the inverse pattern also. So other side, so famous pattern head and shoulder pattern is in gold chart. Let's identify that's the second technically pattern is in this gold chart. So let's see the what are the other pattern. Third pattern what is the in the gold chart is continuation. So I am seeing that the Quasimodo pattern in this chart. This is the higher high and this is the lower low. Higher high was created, lower low was created. So this is the QM sell point. This is the Quasimodo sell point is there. Wait to the flight retest that area. If you want to get the sell trade, wait to reset and the drop. That is the Quasimodo is one of the famous pattern, technically pattern. This is your sell trade. So wait for the price retest and get the confirmation candlesticks and other confirmations to get the trade. This is the higher high created and the lower low was created. That is the Quasimodo QM sell level is there. That's the famous pattern also. So you are technically try to understand what our pattern is continuing, what are the pattern is the going on the chart. This is the gold chart 4 hour. I am seeing this type of 3 patterns in this chart. So try to understand, try to studying, learning technical patterns. So thank you very much.